Along the recall of the Zazpiak Bat dream, the political union of the 7 Basque provinces, Sortu wants to grasp the commemoration of the Aberri Eguna, the Day of the Basque Homeland, to reassert our commitment to the achievement of the Basque state. And because of this consideration, may we highlight before our countrymen and women the determination of this all-European country to build a new state. We face the challenge of breaking up those foreign ties that try to bring us to suffocate as a nation. And in order to be successful, we believe in the need of national independence. We are suffering a tough economic crisis that brings to the light crystal clear that nations with no political and legal capacity to take their own decisions are not able to build a future based on social justice and rights equality. We need our Basque language and culture alive and healthy. We need to promote a new social and economic order that will guarantee public welfare. And last but not least, we must deal with the historical challenge to bring to an end the peace and political normalization process through dialogue and justice. In order to make clear our commitment to those relevant goals, Sortu's members and activists will participate along some other social and political agents of the country in the commemorations to be held both in Itxasu and Iruña. All the Basque people celebrating the Aberri Eguna all over the world will be fondly remembered in these gatherings. Our goal is the building up of the Basque state, and today we want to remark our commitment to the political struggle requested for that. And that path will have to be covered by the hand of all the Basque people, both in the Basque country and all over the world. Gora Euskal Herria askatuta, freedom for the Basque country.